Sendspark makes it easy to send personalized videos in your Zendesk messages. So whether you just want to add a friendly hello or you want to send a screen recording showing how your customer can take specific actions, you can easily send this off. One thing to note is that this integration works through our Chrome extension. So if you don't have our Chrome extension installed, go install that first. And then once you have this here, you'll start seeing the Sendspark icon right here in your Zendesk Compose window. And there's a few options you have. So one is you can record a new video, and this will let you record a message, right here, preview the video, and then send it off. You'll also be able to send video request link. So if you want to get a video from your customer, like let's say they're saying, this isn't working. And you're like, well, okay, what's not working? Show me. You can send a video request link and they'll be able to record from their end and have that video upload to you. You can send this off. You can also click on this option to add your last recording. So this will, let's say you've created a tutorial of your product or something outside of Zendesk and you just want to easily include this here in your Zendesk message. You can use this. And you can also click on video library to see all of the videos that you've created, or you can click into your team library to see videos your team's created and then send these out. And this is really nice if someone else on your team has created a more professional video or just an in-depth tutorial and you want to be able to use their content. You can click on that video and then click insert. And then this will let you preview what you're going to send to people before sending it. And when everything looks good, then you'll just go ahead and submit this. And then what your customer is going to see, they'll see, the videos in their chat with these nice animated previews, and they can click here and watch the video on their end. So it makes it really easy to communicate more personally. And also it's not just about adding the friendly face, right? You're able to show tutorials and valuable information this way. We also have some ways to send personalized videos at scale for more scaled onboarding. So check that out in another video. But all right, cheers.